In this tutorial, we will show you how to convert a PST file in other formats. Using the BitRecover PST converter wizard, you can download the software from the link provided in the video description. This is the main interface of the BitRecover PST converter wizard. To get started, click on the Next button at the bottom. You will now see different options available to add PST files into the software. The first option is Convert Configured Outlook Mailbox Data. It automatically detects your Outlook data file path. This makes the process easier, as you don't need to manually locate the file before converting. The second option is Let me select my Outlook mailbox data. With this option, you need to manually choose your PST file. It provides two methods. The first is Select Files, which allows you to add single or multiple PST files. The second is Select Folder. Using this option, you can choose a specific folder or drive, and the software will automatically scan and add all files from all folder and subfolders. We'll proceed with the Select Files option, though you can choose any option as needed. Browse and select your PST file, then click Open to continue. The selected file path will appear here. Below that, you'll find the Use Recovery Mode option. This helps convert corrupted PST files and recover any missing folders. Finally, click Next at the bottom to proceed. Here, you can choose the specific PST folders you want to convert. You can also enable the top checkbox to select all PST data at once. After making your selection, click Next to continue. At the top, the first option is All Folder Types. When enabled, it allows you to convert the entire PST data. On the right, the second option is Calendar, which lets you convert only the calendar folder. The third option is Contacts, which converts only the Contacts folder. Since we want to convert all data, we'll select All Folder Types. Next, under Select Saving option, the BitRecover PST Converter Wizard provides multiple output formats, such as MSG, EML, EMLX, TXT, PST, MBOX, HTML, MHT, XPS, RTF, DOC, Windows Live Mail, ICS, vCard, CSV, TIFF, BMP, GIF, JPEG, PNG, Extract Email Address, PDF, Lotus Notes, Zimbra, MailDire, Thunderbird, My Office Mail, Entourage, Outlook for Mac, Gmail, Outlook.com, Yahoo, Office 365, Exchange Server, Hosted Exchange Server, G Suite, IBM Verse, Amazon Workmail, and IMAP. There are plenty of formats to choose from. For this demonstration, we'll select the PDF format, but you can choose any format based on your requirement. Below, you'll find the Ignore System Folders Hierarchy option, which allows you to skip the default system folder structure during conversion. In the Destination Path section, you can see where the converted file will be saved. It is currently set to the desktop. If needed, you can change the location by clicking the folder icon on the right. Just below that, there's an option to save converted messages in same source folders. Next is the File Naming option, where you can choose your preferred naming format for the converted files. There are multiple naming styles available, but we'll continue with the default option. Now that all the settings are configured, it's time to begin. Click the Next button at the bottom to start the process. The conversion has started and may take some time, depending on the size and complexity of your data. The process has been completed successfully. Click OK to continue. A message will appear stating that this is the trial version, which converts only 25 emails per folder. To convert all data, you need to purchase the licensed edition. Click OK again. After that, the export folder will open automatically. Now open the folder to review your converted files. Let's open one PDF file to verify the result. That's it. The conversion is complete. The software has also generated an export report, which you can open and review if needed. Now, let's return to the software to explore more features for better PST conversion results. At the top, in the menu bar, click on the Filter option and enable the checkbox. Here, you can apply additional filters to refine your conversion. The first option is Create PST Year-Wise, which exports your PST data based on year. The second option is Date Range. Using this, you can set a start date and end date, and the software will export only the data within that selected period. The third option is From. This allows you to export emails sent from a specific email address. Only messages matching that sender will be converted. The fourth option is To, which lets you export emails sent to a particular email address. The fifth option is Subject. Here, you can enter a specific subject keyword, and the software will export only the emails that contain that subject. Next is Excluded Folders. In this section, you can enter any folder name that you don't want to export. For example, if you type Inbox, that folder will be excluded from the conversion process. The next option is Organizer, which is mainly used with Office 365 and Exchange calendars to manage blank entries. Root folder allows you to rename the exported folder. Once you change the name here, it will also update in the destination path. Exclude Empty Folders removes all empty folders from the export. Use Microsoft Graphs can be enabled when working with Microsoft services. Below, you can choose the type of PST data to export, such as emails, calendars, contacts, or the exception log. You can also import previously saved settings using the Import button. Likewise, you can export your current settings for future use and load them again whenever needed. And that's how you can convert your PST file using the BitRecover PST Converter Wizard.